like, share, hit the notification bell. But that's this shit. Look at this shit. Look like that wall right there. That wall right there wasn't strong enough, I guess. Now we gonna take the tip all 3 walls down. Woo. Sound like more money. Three walls coming down, people. Woo. More money, more money. The big old pile. That pile of trash got to go way down there, right there. Yeah, man. It is hot. I took 2 taxis.
From that way, you come down to that way as you
Came down here.
So coming down here is 100.
Yeah, man. He gave my money back.
Yeah.
He gave my money back. Man, that's almost a free ride. You can really see the flow. Couldn't even see the flow. Just piled it up in the middle. There you go. Pause this video. We'll be right back. Yeah, y'all. Look like we got to tear that wall down right there too. And that wall. We tearing everything down now. Change of plans again. Change of plans again. Man, where them chicken went to?
Those containers, I don't know where we can get it. They need that. They need the container.
I see the crack. Try to zoom in on the crack. The crack right there.
Let me see.
Cracks on the wall. We got to put it down on another angle. All right, they playing music. I got to pause it. All right, y'all. Here, start tearing that back wall, that right wall down. Start tearing it down. We tearing the whole thing down. Tearing the whole thing down, but you can see it's a real busy area here. So there's Okapi. Real busy. Real busy area here. See, that's a store right there. See what we go out doing right here. Woo! Woo! The whole thing finna fall down. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah.
Le pack, c'est pas le truc à la tête. Hein? Faut travailler en professionnel. Faut travailler en professionnel. Faut avoir les gants, faut avoir tout. Écoute, je me mal. Oh, il faut qu'il vienne enlever sa voiture là-bas. Il est le petit là. Il ne va pas rentrer comme ça, le pack. Les gens cherchent le problème. Et on ne garde pas devant chez le j'ai une case là-bas. Les gens qui sont les parents de Mbouancho. On parlait à la coupe, on se met.
Yep, we tearing the whole thing down, y'all. Everything coming down. It's gonna cost some more money. Real busy road, man. There's a lot of stuff going on down through there. Got half of the wall down already. Finna pause it, I'll be right back. Another wall down. Another wall down. Gotta get that. Got the rebar in there. Woo, Tandy. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Going for the front wall. This finna be some shit here. You breaking it, folks. Woo. That bitch fall in the road. The whole wall can fall down. They gonna go in the road too. Oh. Ooh. I want to get closer. Oh, shit. Okay, coming down there. Ooh. Bam. Told y'all it's busy. It's busy out here. This is straight busy. This is a busy road. Chabanage. You can see the flow. You see the flow now. Broken tile. Flow. Oh, pressing it. Oh. Oh, uh-oh, he's coming. He know how to make it. He got it now. He puts a hole in it so it can fall straight down. Oh. Look at the look on his face. Look at the look on his face. Look at the look on his face. Pause this video. I'll be back in a little bit, people. Hold on.
Finish before you move my eye there.
Be back in a minute, y'all. Subscribe. Working on this front wall. Shit. Just busy. Place. They love blowing the horn. That's how the taxis be communicating with each other. Blowing horn. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Damn. Oh.
Non, ici là on va.
Ooh. Ooh. Look at them toes. Oh. Ain't got no shoes on. Don't nobody wear shoes around here. Nobody wear shoes around here. I don't know what it is. Slippers. Everybody wears slippers. He ain't even worried about his feet. Oh. 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 Ain't worried about his feet at all. take this break, man. Gotta get my crew something to drink. Get my crew some beer. Oh! Got it. Gotta get my crew some beer. Oh yeah. And myself. I'm ready to drink me a cold one anyway. Glassy. Glassy, yeah. Je vous glace brillant. Yeah, I'm gonna pause this video, man. We'll be back in a little bit. Hold on. See how busy it is out through here? Busy. I'm gonna taxi. Yeah, man, I'm gonna pause this video. We'll be back. Subscribe. Gotta get this. Oh, that whole thing finna come down right there. I'm running the route. The route. I'm sorry. Okay. Back to the dog. Ain't nothing holding it up. I'm tired of holding this phone. Sans les glaces bière. C'est top. Okay, let's see what it's doing. Ooh. Traffic. Motorcycles everywhere. Tote trash. One dude go around getting people's trash, and he get paid. Oh shit! I missed that. Oh. And there go the wall, folks. That'll do it. That will do it, folks. Subscribe to the channel. Like, share, hit the notification bell. Be updated on the progress. I got all that. So y'all, we're gonna pause this video. Be back in a minute. Subscribe. Alright, you guys. We got all the walls down. And we taking a nice cold beer break. Taking a break. Alright, man. Dusting the bricks off the rebar, whatever the hell that is. Got 1, 2, 3 more, 4 more. Shoulder breakdown. And we'll be done. So yeah, that's what's going on right there. Get all this trash out of here. We'll be through with this. Should be done with this, so y'all. We'll be back. Subscribe. We about to get up out of here. Stay tuned for the next video, man. Hit the notification bell. And like, share, subscribe, man. We out, man.